Hello everyone, welcome to Math and Science Clinic. Today we'll discuss about the molecular mass and mole concept. So we already discussed about the atoms and its properties, so different types of molecules, how compound are formed, what are ions. So if you have not watched those video, you can go to my channel and watch those first. So this is the class 9 NCERT, that is chapter 3. And it is also essential for those students who are preparing for various competitive examinations. So let's learn. So molecular mass. So molecular mass is the concept we discuss about the molecular mass. Okay. So the concept is extended from the calculation of molecular mass. So molecular mass is the molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic mass of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. It is therefore the relative mass of the molecule expressed in a atomic mass unit, that is U or unified mass. So we already learned about the atomic mass. So the molecular mass, suppose we take the example of water. Water is composed of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So the mass of one atom of hydrogen is 1, and two atom is 2 into 1, that is 2, and that of oxygen is 16. One atom of oxygen is 1 into 16, that is 16. So the total mass will be 2 plus 16, that is 18. Okay. So that is the molecular mass. That is the summation of atomic mass of the constituent atoms that is composed of the molecules. Okay. Different examples are given here. For example, calculate the relative molecular mass of the water. So I already discussed about the hydrogen is composed of 1 atom of hydrogen, and oxygen is 2U, that is unified mass or atomic mass unit. So if I take the water that is composed of 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, 2 atom of hydrogen consists of 2 into 1, and 1 atom of oxygen consists of 1 into 16, that is 18U is the molecular mass of water. So if I take the nitric acid HNO3 nitric acid, so it is also composed of different elements such as hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. So hydrogen is composed of 1 unified mass, and the nitrogen atomic mass is 14, and that of oxygen is 16. 3 atom of oxygen is there, 16 into 3, that is 48. So total molecular mass of molecular weight or molecular mass of the nitric acid is 63 unified mass. Okay. So formula unit mass. The formula unit mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic mass of the atom in the formula unit of the compound. The formula unit mass is calculated by the same manner calculating the molecular mass. Okay, that is the same things. So this only different is that use of the watt formula. Okay, unit for those substances that can constitute the particles of ion. For example, sodium chloride discussed above have the formula NaCl. So sodium chloride is composed of NaCl. So NaCl has the formula. The sodium has the unit, that is the mass. The mass of the one sodium atom is 23, 1 into 23, and that of chlorine is 35.5, that is 1 into 35.5. The total mass of the sodium chloride is 58.5 unit or unified mass. So here is given different question. So you have to find out all this mass of molecular mass of all these similar type of the atoms and different types of atoms. Okay, element and compound. So practice this. Mole concept. Take the example of the reaction of hydrogen with oxygen to form water. Here 2 molecules of hydrogen combine with 1 molecule of oxygen to form 2 molecules of water. If we take the atomic weight of the following molecular weight, that is 2 molecules of hydrogen composed of 4 unified mass, and that of 2 atoms of oxygen composed of 2 into 16, that is 32. Then total weight of the 2 molecules of water will be 36. So from this we can infer that the above equation that the quantity of substance can be characterized by the mass of the number of the molecules, but a chemical reaction indicate directly the number of atom and molecule taking part in the reaction. Therefore, it is more convenient to refer the quantity of a substance in terms of the number of molecules of or atom rather than their masses. So, new unit of the mole was introduced. Okay, that is 1 mole of a substance. So, 1 atom gram is not there in the equation form. So, you have to take some different unit that will be more convenient. So, for this reason, it takes the moles. So, moles is introduced for that purpose. Mole is very convenient for these purposes. Okay, so mole is especially a number. Mole is come from the Latin word. Mole means actually a pile or a heap. Okay, so mole its SI unit of mole is SI unit is equal to mole inverse. Mole inverse. Okay, this is all about the moles. So moles is actually a number. It is also known as Avogadro's number. That is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, if I ask you to bring 1 mole of egg, you have to take 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 of an egg. Okay, suppose if someone asks us to bring 1 dozen of banana, we have to bring 1 dozen of banana, that is 12 banana. Just like that unit, that is dozen, it is also unit, simple unit. Okay, so moles means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. 1 mole of atom means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon. For examples, 1 mole of carbon atom, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon, that is also 12 gram of atoms, carbon atom. Okay, but gram is not relevant in the chemical equation, so you have to take those moles. Okay, for that moles is invented. So here is given the different relationship between the moles, that is at Avogadro's number, moles and the gram. Okay, suppose you take the example of hydrogen. 1 molecule of hydrogen, 1 mole of hydrogen atoms, 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 of atom of hydrogen, that is 1 gram of hydrogen. Okay, because mass of 1 atom of hydrogen is 1 gram. Okay, because its unit is 1 atomic mass unit or 1 unified mass. So here is given a different element. Beside being the relating to the number, the mole has 1 more advantage over the dozen and gross. The advantages of the 1 gram of a mole of a particular substance is also fixed. Okay, so the mass of 1 mole of a substance is equal to its relative atomic or molecular mass in gram. Okay, the atomic mass of an element given us the mass of 1 atom of the element in the atomic mass unit. Okay, to get the atomic mass of 1 atom of that element, that is the molar mass, we have to take the same numerical value of the charge of U or G. Okay, G means gram and U for unified mass. This number is also equal to the mole, that is 6.023 10 to the power 23, that is Avogadro's number. Okay, 1 gram of a substance is equal to 1 mole of a substance. Similarly, is equal to 1 unified mass, that is 1 atomic mass unit. This is the advantage of taking moles. Here is given the example of 1 gram of hydrogen. 1 gram of hydrogen is its unified mass is 1 U and its Avogadro's number, that is the mole, is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. So thus the mole is the chemist count of unit. Okay, any chemist count unit with the mole. The word mole is introduced around 1896 by Wilhelm Ostrad, who derived the term from the Latin word, that is mole, meaning heap or piles. Any substance may be considered a heap of atom or molecule. So unit of the mole is accepted in the 1967. It is introduced in the 1896. It is accepted in the 1967. more than 100, nearly equal to 100 here. Okay, providing simple way of reporting the large number in the massive heap of atom or molecule, that is mole. Okay, here is given the different element, how to calculate the number of moles. So number of moles can be calculated by dividing the given mass by the molecular mass. Okay, given mass by molecular mass. If we take the example of, say here, the example of 52 gram of helium, 52 gram of helium. Here the mole is represented by small n, and given mass is m, small m, and molecular mass is capital M, and given number of particles is capital N. So Avogadro's number is NO. So we know that the atomic mass of helium is 4 unit, that is 4 gram. Molecular mass is also 4 gram. So we thus know the number of moles is equal to given mass. Given mass here is 52 gram, and the molecular mass is 4. So you have to divide those to get the number 13. That is the moles, number of moles of 52 gram of helium. 52 gram of helium consists of 13 moles of the substance. So you have to divide, to find the number of mole, you have to divide the given mass divided by molar mass. So here I are given the different examples and formula solution. You have to do those formula, do those problem, and practice as much as possible. So thanks for watching this video. Keep share it and subscribe my channel. Please like this video, and thanks for watching. Stay blessed.